anak na mag-ambon. Ayaw. Taray. Good evening po. Nalalagpasan mo rin ang lahat ng problema. Akay na. Oo. Maulan ay maambon. Good evening. Taratagay tayo at tapos hindi pumunta sa malayo sawa. Makauuya man yung papapunasan, binayaan ugang. Maimod ko lang ikaw. Ayaw pagpapaimod sa ako. Sa Bicol, Bicol po. Tagay tayo, tapos hindi pumunta sa malayo sa iyong may pag-iing. Ito na. Ambot. Sabi ano? Siya mo na nga da. Ito na ako. Kurupod ka mo. Wala pa ba, share? Ang kapal naman ng mukha, awaton. Oh, inaabangan mo ako, di ba? Pumasok ka na. Kupal ka eh. Hi sa silent viewer. Kunyari, tumitingin. Silip-silip ha. Kunyari, walang alam. Hello. Ano masasabi mo? Libre lait. Huwag lang bumalik. Tablada ba? Taratagay tayo, tapos hindi pumunta sa malayo sa walang may pagkit. Hindi na mano kagabi yung ano, basher ko kagabi. Hi sa silent viewer. Thank you po sa nanonood. Thank you so much. Thank you po sa 5 million. Thank you for the 5 million. Hi sa 7 million. Taratagay tayo, tapos hindi pumunta sa malayo sa walang. Thank you sa thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you so much. Province Life sa Bicol po. Hi Sir Greg. Good evening, Guapa Cheryl. Salamat. Salamat sa Thank you for visiting my live. Thank you, Greg Davis. How are you? Thank you po. Thank you so much. Tamsak. Thanks sa Tamsak. Thank you. Hi, thank you sa 4 million. Ay, 10 million. Thank you, guys. Thank you po. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much. Thank you so 12 million. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi. It's good to say vertical this time. Vertical? What is that? Vertical. Pahiga? It's good. Vertical. Pairog sa ha. Pahiga. Patayo. The vertical stand. I am bot.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
See you Friday.
See you sa aga ulit. See you tomorrow. Oh, guy, Gabe or may bata na naman. Hey, agoy. Jobe, yan. How are you doing today? I'm doing today Zumba today. Zumba with mommy here. Skip M12. Hi ha. Oo. Juliet Apordo. What do you mean, guy? Thank you sa thumbs up. Thank you so much. Bisaya po. Bicolana. You did Zumba. Yeah, I did Zumba. Zumba. Skip M12. YLOL. Hi, where are you fitting the 43 years old. Tiyok. Chok. What chok? Chok. Tiyok. Juliet. Happy lang. Opo, happy lang. Okay lang. Oo. Okay lang, happy lang. Thank you for visiting my life. Thank you so 1 million. Best friend kita. Ha? Best friend mo ako? Sino ka? Julia? Best friend? Taga saan ka, Juliet? Opo. Saan tayo nagkakilala? Taga-jag po. Taga-jag? Taga saan ka, Juliet? You at home na? Yeah, I'm at home na. At home na. Magulo na ang at home. Mahila basta mission. Ano yun, Juliet? Hindi ko maintindihan. Thank you for the thumbs up. Elizabeth Mutya, nakalike po ako. Salamat, Elizabeth Mutya. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. Thanks. Come here. Where are you from, Juliet? Comment. I'll watch your videos and comment. Thank you so much, Greg. Thank you for supporting my blog. Hope I reach the goal. To apply monetization again my channel here in YouTube. Please. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thumbs up. What do you mean? Hello. Sak. Naligaw ka, Sak. Kumusta? We are welcome, Cheryl. I'm glad I found your channel. I'm nice to meet you. I'm glad you visiting my channel. It helps me, it helps me to grow. Ano, Sak? Kumusta? What do you mean? Second Kim. And you? Me? I'm okay. Roblox tayo. What Roblox? It's a game? Roblox. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What do you mean? Kung hindi ako nararapat sa'yo. Hala? Sinabi ng kaibigan ko na si Dodong bakla daw siya. Sinong Dodong? Sinong Dodong? Ano yan? Ano naman yan issue mo? May issue ka, Zap. Masyado kang may issue. Anong gusto mong mangyari? Kung nga kilala yun si Dodong. Sinabi ng kaibigan ko na si Dodong bakla daw siya. Sinong Dodong? Sino bang Dodong na yan? Sumabay daw. Sumabay daw mo? Sumabay daw mo? Ano? Ingon Dodong. Anong Dodong? Do you have Facebook also, Cheryl? Yes, I have Facebook. I have Facebook, Greg. Kung hindi ngayon. Sinong Dodong, Zach? Who's Dodong? I will get it later. I love you daw. Ana Dodong Ayi. Hindi ko makilala si Dodong eh. Kaibigan ko, te. Oo nga, kaibigan mo nga. Hindi ko nga yung kilala. Alam na. Magkaroon na lang ka mga like dan. Hi, Waida. Thank you. Thank you sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you po. Oy, karaon na ka mo, Gab. Thank you sa nagtamsak, guys. Taga saan daw ka? Bicol nga. Bicolana nga ako. Paulit-ulit. Bicol, sa Bicol ba ako? Bicol ba? Ikaw, ano, Zach, taga saan ka, Zach? Gab, magkaon ka na, Gab. Thank you sa thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you pa. Taga gas? Gas ko? Anong gas ko? Gas Q? Anong gas Q? Taga gusa? Ano yun? Taga gusa? Anong gusa? What do you mean? Wow!
Pagsutilong ka, maisip talaga ako.
Ayos ah. Thank you. I know that you're wrong for me. Thank you. Thank you sa nagtamsak. I love your eyes. Ano? Eye bags. More eye bags. Eye bags pa more. Magkaon na. Si ano, si Torin, si Tantoy, Paulian na. Para sarapay na magkaraon. Ha? Ha? Sino naghanap? Kay Irugsoon. Pretty eyes. Bawal ang bata. Why pretty eyes? Gabi mo doon mo ito. Dato gina ito, Gab, ha? Gidatugan mo sang kahoy. Ang kahoy na, ano, yadi, ha? Gidatugan mo dito. Pabalik ta doon mo ang taklog. Bago mo datugan, pabalik ta doon mo ang taklog.
Pagkanta niya ni isang Ariana.
Diri man yun, yadto, di ka nagbabati sa ako. My gosh. Do you work, Cheryl? No, I'm at home now. Di ka nagbabati, dapat nag-ano sa... I'm at home. Noisy here. Big family, you know. My niece. Maribokon! Paribok, rebok. Noisy here. Noisy. So noisy. Maingay. Ingay ba? What do you mean? What time is there now in USA? Greg, what time there now? What time? Here, okay, 7:23. Night time now. Yes, night here now. Night here. 7:23 p.m. There, what time it? Maybe morning, afternoon. Morning there, afternoon. Early morning. I don't know. 6. Too early. That's why you hesitate. to join because too early. You have work? Night here now, night here. What do you mean? Thank you. I'm off today. Ah, okay. What is your work? What is your work, Greg? I will stop what I'm doing to see you. Ah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Greg. Thank you po. I work with concrete. Concrete? What concrete means? Concrete. I work with concrete. Mm. Highways and driveways. Ah, okay. Sorry. What do you mean? Speak. Ano? And foundation to house and buildings. Are you a engineer, architect, or construction worker? Bawal ang bata, baba. Bawal. Kiss. My niece. My niece, Ash. Alala mo sa akin ay I did construction first. Okay. Construction first. I'm going to get to know your whole family.
Tita, maudap ako suglay mo. Kasuglay yung ko nangyari.
Sige po, sa may bag. I'm going to get to know your whole family. To get to know? Why? Why you need to get to know my whole family? Why? Why? Oh, why? Why? Always.
Pinalik ko na po.
Ay, ang galing naman. Salamat. Ang galing naman ni babang ko. Upalis nga ako, babang. Ay, sus, kasweet naman. Wala. The husband should know these things. LOA. Huh? Huh? The husband? I found my. Future. The future. How old are you again? I forgot. 4. Oh. Kung hindi, 45 now. 46 in September. Okay. Okay, batang 90s. You have a child? You have a kids? Are you married? You are 40. Yes, I'm 40. Are you married? Wala, burungan. Are you married? I never been married. Okay. I have 2 daughters. Okay. Never been married. Why never been married? No, I'm not married. No one to marry me. I want to be married, but no one to marry me. Not so lucky. Oh, I'm going to be. Sureness. Hello? Sinasabi niya. I've been single. You can be my wife. Nice joke. Ala-ala mo sa akin na Tingin mo ba lang para kinakasabi Isingin akin. Thank you for the 2 million. Thank you for Do you like a village? What village? What village? What kind of village? The village. Like this, the village. Type of home? A village in the jungle. I don't know. It depends. It depends the village. I want peace. That looks like a village. For example, do you live in the village? I hope you find a husband. I don't know. Maybe I'm not find. He find me. I live in a city, North Carolina. Okay. North Carolina. You haven't been discovered yet. You haven't been discovered yet. The village, the city, North Carolina. What? You haven't? Oh, what do you mean? No, no one found you yet. What? The ano? The one? I don't know. That's what discovered means. Okay. Yeah. What do you mean? I will discover you. I will discover me. Bicol is very far. Philippines. So far. No one can afford me. Char. No one. No one can afford. You said Bicol. B-I B-I, Bicol, not Bocol. Bicol, not Bocol. Yes, Bicol. The Bicol. Okay, thank you.
Sige, talagang may samad ka, di ka makaupo. Sige ka, nakita maupo.
Bye-bye. I will make live later. We need
Wow,
to
nandun siya.
eat our dinner. I will make live later.
Hello mga guys.
Nabatog na naman.
Ay, may pila daw na.
Bye-bye. I will make live later. Bye. Bye-bye, Suling. Kana, Gab. Gabriel. Nakaon kita, Gab.
Tita, ako malakaunin ako.
Gabriel. Makaon na kita. Bye-bye. Kana na, Gab.